Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to use the DAX next day function. This DAX function is used to create a new column with the next date. I will add next day date as a new column. Select New Column. I will name my column as DAX next day and will write the formula equal to next day and select date field from my table. We will now format the newly created column. Let's convert the date and time format to date only or short date format. We have now created a new column using the next day DAX function. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel to get regular updates.